सो काल एक न्यूज फ्लॅश जाल्लो की सेंट्रल द इंडियन वॉटरवेज अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया तेणे परमिशन दिला तो जेटीक प्रायवेट जेटीक परमिशन दिवपाक एंड फर्स्ट मंथ इट वॉज हेडलायन्स yesterday or maybe today's headlines. हांवें पयलें सांगलेलें आनी आमच्या आल्दोनचे ग्रामसभाक सांगलेलें हे इंडियन वॉटरवेज अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया येता तो MPT तेजें ज्युरिडिक्शन ते कंट्रोल करतले आमगे रिवर्स आहात ते आमगे सगळे न्हंय आहात ते कंट्रोल करतले कित्याक ऑल आवर 9 rivers have been handed over to the Indian Waterways Authority of India. So therefore तुका कितें बांदूंक जाय जाल्यार तुका कितें परमिशन जाय जाल्यार then you will require only permission of them and it overrides the jurisdiction of town planning, it overrides the jurisdiction of a local authority under the act. Ata government of Goa has an agreement of land rights of land which belongs to the government of Goa and so there's a tripartite agreement which has been executed. But as far as granting of permission, once this jurisdiction is like a PDA, think simply like a PDA. When a PDA has jurisdiction, your local panchayat, local municipality also already gets the jurisdiction. But here, this authority is given exclusive jurisdiction, overrides every local authority. So PDA and panchayats will not be taken into consideration, confidence, nor will their NOCs be required. And this is what is going to happen. Our government will only watch that the mistake they have made of handing over these 9 rivers for nationalization, the effect will be seen. What I had already warned in 2021, I had warned that this will be the effect of it, and this is now coming to be a reality. They only waited for elections to get over, and once elections are over, and now you see now how the cat is coming out of the bag. So every control of the jurisdiction, that's why I had even said, even now on the major ports, so major ports has come with a new act has come. Under that, the MPA now, it was called MPT before, now it's Mormugao Port Authority. Now this MPA controls not only the coastline but land appurtenant thereto, which means to check you just watch what I'm going to say. Next time check permission will have to be taken from them also. So this is the way we have. The BJP government has sold Goa in the hands of the central government. There was a time, I have got the file notings I will share with you, when Congress was in Delhi and Parrikar was here in Goa, he said throw out these central agencies, we don't want them. And when the central government changed, Parsekar as chief minister wrote in the file, there's a federalism, some big word was used, and now they have come, so we can give it to them. And just by stroke of the pen with a cabinet decision, it was given. So this is what happened. So this is what according to me was wrong, should not have been given, should have protected interests of Goa and the Goa government, and this way they will start giving permissions to all and sundry, and you and I will be left out. So this will be the effect of it. So if Rohan Kaunte is now shocked and surprised with this permission granted by IWAI, which is Indian Waterway Authority of India, then I think he may not have been aware. He might have not realized it at that time because this is sports matter. Because he is in tourism, he has also been previously a tourism minister. But he could check up this position and realize that the clock is ticking and they have lost the plot.